Next I'm gonna do the rear gate. I have this lower tube attached here with this clamp. I'll have two of those side pieces stacked together, and now I can weld those here. So let's do this and then add some more structure to it and design. Yeah, so let's do it. So the frame of this hatch or whatever is almost finished. I am liking the design. I hope you guys as well. Next operation is to make here this hinge system. I'm gonna make it so that I can remove the this what do we call it? Gate. Is it a gate? You tell me, guys. Well, yeah, so that I could remove this thing if I don't wanna have it here. So yeah, let's do that next. Now I'm gonna weld those to both ends, and we will go from there. Two pieces like that out of that car. One of those is fitted inside this bushing here. I also have two of these plates done. It has a big hole in it, so I can weld this to it. So let me do it. Welder set full power. That side is welded in. I'm gonna drill those holes first with a smaller drill bit and later with a bigger whatever bolts I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna do that and we will go from there. So now I have removed the bracket and drilled the holes big enough to weld those nuts in here. Now I can grind those nice and flush. I have those brackets now shaped and I can bolt one side in . One end in.